Welcome back to the channel. As I mentioned in my intro video for the Mazda Miata, after deleting the pumped-in intake noises, the stock exhaust was way too quiet, and after a few hours of research I decided on the Goodwin Racing RoadsterSport race exhaust. Goodwin claims that this catback was especially designed for an otherwise stock car, and spoiler alert, they delivered big time. Installation is very easy. All you have to do is loosen 2 bolts, and with some dishwashing soap and a screwdriver, the exhaust hangers are easy to remove as well. As you can see from the pictures, the new catback is quite a bit smaller in size and saves about 8 pounds in the weight department. Goodwin also offers a baffle that directly bolts into the exhaust tip to quiet it back down, but for me the current sound is perfect. Rather tame while in lower to mid-range, but really starts to sing above 5000 RPMs. There is no drone at all while cruising at highway speeds. Take a look at a few driving situations and let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, stay tuned and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!
Mm-hmm.